In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to submit your tax information in Google AdSense. So, submitting accurate tax details is crucial to ensure compliance and avoid payment issues. So, first, make sure you are on the Google AdSense website and then sign in with your Google account credentials. So, once logged in, navigate to the payment section from the left-hand menu. Select the payments info, and then as you can see in here, I don't have yet a payments account connected in my Google AdSense. So click the add payments account and then finish the fill up form in terms of adding payment information in here. So assumingly we've finished that steps. Now assumingly we have already a connected account in here, so you will see there the add tax info or update tax info. Click on that, and then depending on what's the plates, and then a new window will appear, so guiding you through a series of questions, and then select the tax form based on your status. You will see there the W8 Ben for individuals who are non-US residents, and then W8 Ben in E for entities or business outside the US, and then W9 for US residents. So, apology for how I read the acronym. So, click Start Tax Form, and then after selecting the correct option, and then enter your personal or business details like full legal name, address, and country for residents, and then your TIN ID if applicable, and then double check all information to ensure it's accurate. And then if your country has a tax treaty with the US, you may be eligible for reduced withholding rates, and then follow the prompts to declare eligibility and select the applicable tax treaty benefits. And then carefully review all the details you provided, confirm the declaration, and electronically sign the form by typing your full legal name, and then click Submit to finalize the process. Once submitted, Google AdSense will review your tax information and you'll receive a confirmation email when the information is approved. It usually takes within 24 to 48 hours, and that's it. That's how to submit tax information in Google AdSense. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.